Get it? I don't get it. I don't get it at all.
What are these?
Why are there green people?
Is this supposed to be like bugs or something? Hi everyone, welcome back to SisterCodes. I'm Ashley.
And I'm Kaylee, and we're so excited for you to join us on this really fun YouTube video today.
Yeah.
We're going to be looking at coding memes and reacting to them like completely live. We've never looked at these before. We're going to do a Google search. It's going to be great.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, so let's get started. We're going to be recording our screen, so we'll be showing it here somewhere.
Awesome.
Okay, cool.
Is this recording? I don't think it is.
Yeah, it is. It is recording up in the
Where do
corner.
you see it?
See, this is the stop button.
Oh, okay. All right. So we're Googling coding memes.
There's
going
like
to
so
images.
many. Okay, are we gonna start
we're
with
just
the
gonna
first one?
scroll. Well, people think depression looks like depression is. Hey, check out my Java code. Oh no, what is it though? Is it like something in the
Oh no.
code that's?
I don't know. Is it just that it's written really badly?
I think it's really bad.
Oh wait, what is this in the corner?
Oh no!
That's what
Oh my gosh, those are the curly braces.
Oh no.
And
I think that took us
dear.
way too long to get what that was, though. I was like, wow. Okay.
But also, people shouldn't make fun of depression, so.
Yeah. Oh my god.
I looked at you. You looked at me. Did you get it? I don't get it. I don't get it at all.
What are these?
Why are there green people?
Is this supposed to be like bugs or something? Okay, whatever.
Okay,
we can,
what's the
like
next one?
not.
Oh, this is a friends one. Programmers looking at programming memes.
Humor based on my pain.
Your dog ate your coding assignment. It took him a couple
bites. I've seen that one. That's pretty good, to be honest.
That's pretty
I think
good.
Catherine said that to me.
It's pretty good.
Comments to
Describe
describe
the
the program.
program.
Comments to temporarily remove part of the code.
Yeah, honestly,
Who
there's
writes comments anymore?
Well, okay, first of all, if you have to comment your code, it means it's so poorly written that you should just rewrite the code.
Yeah.
Like, don't put the comment.
Ain't that the truth?
Also,
Yeah.
one time I got assigned to uplift this really old application. It hadn't been touched since 2004. And I went in and there were no comments through the entire thing except for one comment that said, haha, what the F is this?
You're like, this
Just
is not funny.
Not cool.
That
Not
is pretty
cool.
funny though.
Okay,
Pretty funny.
moving on.
Mm-hmm.
Can I copy your homework? Yeah, just change it up a bit so it doesn't look obvious you copied. If count greater than 10, total plus equals 15, else total plus equals... Oh, and then they
And
just
at
made
the
it into
bottom,
lambda.
yeah.
If, else, but it's the same thing. Yeah.
I mean, to be fair, it does look quite different, so.
That's not that funny, though. There have to be
Not that
funnier ones.
I know. Are we looking at the wrong place?
Me, just wrote 200 unsaved lines of code in my computer. I've decided that I want to die. Yeah, this is a thing. Number of times I've lost work due to
It's so painful.
malfunctions. Yeah, it's
Always
just not fun.
save.
Not fun.
Also,
Always
wait,
save.
okay, sorry. Just to go back to this, who writes 200
Unsaved,
unsaved lines of code? Like, won't the IDE just automatically save for you?
Maybe. But, so, this is a random anecdote.
Mm.
But I've gotten, like, into a habit of Command S. Like, it's just, like, I
No,
do it
I know,
all the
same.
time.
It's like,
on
I type one sentence and it's like Command
Command
S.
S. But I've also, it's like anytime I'm coding, I'm immediately thinking Command S.
Mhm.
So now I was like practicing HackerRank, and on HackerRank I keep doing Command S, and it keeps trying to
no, I did
save
that
the
too.
web page
Yeah,
to
yeah.
like
No, no, no.
desktop.
Yeah, that happens.
And I'm like, no, cancel.
Yeah.
And then I write 2 more lines, and I'm like, Command S. It's like uncontrollable at this point. I just do it by
Teach
by
your
reflex.
brain to unlearn it.
Yeah.
When you write 10 lines of code without search on Google, it's not much, but it ain't much, but it's on its work.
We find the bug. We fix the bug.
Now
We have 2 bugs.
It's like so.
It's so blurry.
Oh
I
my
can't
God.
read it. I don't know what the
It
last
probably
one
just says now we have 2 bugs, right? Because
Now we have 3 bugs.
Oh, now we have 3 bugs. Okay, cool.
Yeah. When your code compiles after 253 failed attempts, I'm still worthy.
This is like mobile engineering in a nutshell. You change one little thing and it's like 10
Or
million errors.
honestly, my Git commit history. It starts off really nicely. It's like great commit messages.
Uh-huh.
This piece does this,
Mhm.
unto please work. Please work. Is this working? Question mark. It just descends into chaos.
When your PC stops working, so you follow YouTube tutorial
Tutorial.
and type commands in. What do you see?
You don't work on Windows.
No.
Oh, CMD is like the way worse version of terminal on a Mac, except for it does nothing. Like it doesn't even have an SSH
is it the one that's got the
capability.
blue? It's like the blue.
That's PowerShell.
text. Oh no.
So it's the other one. It's the one that's like it does have black
can see
background.
how much
and
I work
green.
on Windows.
Okay.
Okay, this is the same one as before. I think you should rest for a while. While project does not equal overwork. That's funny. But also, burnout in tech is real.
Yeah. The two states of every programmer. I am a god.
Yeah.
I have no idea what I'm doing.
The truth is that like I am a god is like 2% of the time, and then the rest is the I have no idea.
The I am also these are in the wrong order. It's the I have no idea what I'm doing, and then it's I am a god. Hey, are you sleeping? Yes, now shut up. I know how to fix that bug on line 255.
You know what though?
This is real.
It's the truth.
This is real.
It's like I'll have dreams and then I'll wake up and I'll be like, oh my god, I know how to fix it. Like I've been working on it for 8 hours and now I finally know how to fix it because your brain is finally shut off and it's processing.
It totally works.
Mm-hmm.
I will have dreams about like this thing isn't optimized and I didn't know how to solve it, and I wake up and I walk over to my computer. It's like 3 lines. Boom. You got it.
This is why you should take breaks.
Very true. A large, complex scripted code written by professional computer programmers and designers.
One no mouth
wiki board.
That's so funny.
We know it's the Winky Boy.
You think I'm a real programmer? Me googling switch status.
Okay.
You know what? Who uses switches that much? I feel like I still have to Google them sometimes.
Well, switches
like
can be
with
easier than like
single, and then I'm like, oh, does it need the single or the double or what's happening?
And then per language it's different too. But this just goes for everything. Sometimes I'm like, how to retrieve length of string in Java, because I forget, like, is it a method or is it a variable? Like, which one of those is size again?
Dear.
Yeah.
Okay. What are you doing? I removed all the bad code from the app. What's left of it? Hello world.
Continue. That's pretty great.
That's the truth.
That's pretty great.
Yeah.
There's nothing more satisfying than deleting really bad code. It's just like, it feels so forbidden to just like delete it, and then you delete it and commit it and you're like, it's gone. It's so great.
200 line. Oh my god. If else statement. Everything in main. Undocumented code if var equals true.
Oh.
Yes, I am good at programming. I feel like people who aren't watching this, should we explain if var equals true?
If the variable is true.
Yeah.
Which is
if var.
If var.
You don't need to put equals true. Is that what they're trying to say?
Yeah.
I think that's what they're trying to say, right?
Yeah, and also everything's in the main 200 line. That just cringe.
Yeah. I don't. What's up with the 200 lines? Like, why does everyone think it's like 200 lines?
Okay, I love that this is.
I can't read it. It's actually
this
so true.
Great. This is a great meme.
Especially like some of my uni projects. I feel like, oh my god, that would be such a fun episode if we like went back and looked at our like uni code.
We should do.
You know what I mean? And we were like trying to decipher.
Or we should review each other's code, like our old uni code.
Oh. Yeah. Okay.
Thoughts, anyone? Let us know in the comments if you actually want to see a video on that, because we should do that.
What do we say to code documentation?
That's fair, but that's just so bad. That just leads to like no documentation for code, and then you show up on a team and you're like, what? How was I supposed to know to change that one variable on line 33 to get it working on my local? Are you serious?
Yeah.
That's pretty accurate. I mean, I just don't have much to say about it other than,
what is this?
A global variable, local variables. Top programming means only true programmer can understand. Yeah, that's.
How is that desk even up there?
I don't know. Is there a ladder or is it just Photoshop?
I don't know.
It's probably just Photoshop.
Okay, there's just like this.
There's just a screenshot of code. Titanic float none.
Okay, that's really...
That's lame. That's not a meme. That's just literally a screenshot of someone's code.
Using the
terminal in front of non-program.
Okay, that's actually so true.
That's a thing.
Yeah.
Although one time I was using it very legitimately for a class assignment that I was trying to get done on the airplane, and I had this old white lady eyeing me, and I thought she thinks that I'm some like hacker trying to take down the plane. She was just very suspiciously like giving me the stink eye. Yeah. Oh yeah, that little old lady gasp.
But yeah, it is truly like a feeling of power. You're like, I can do all this cool stuff,
and then you can say things like, "I'm hacking into the mainframe."
Oh my god!
Nobody
also,
knows
though,
what
like
you're doing.
when you know like Mac, for example, and then somebody else has only known Windows, and like you have to watch them try to run terminal commands on your Mac, it's actually like a little bit painful.
Yeah,
You're like, it's not the same.
You're like, CD, just dot.
Yeah.
Go up.
They're like, what? I wrote this code. Oh my god, I understood it. Oh my god, that's kind of fun.
That is pretty funny. Okay, let's do one more from here. We're gonna change our Google search.
Okay.
Let's make it a good one. Oh no, what is this?
I don't like
that. Looking at programming memes versus actually coding. This is
crying.
Okay, this is kind of true, but no, I like coding. It's not that painful.
Yeah, that one's too. Java, Python, C, C++, ARM. Programming language.
Zeros and ones. I guess are they just listing it in order of descending complexity? Or why is your own programming language in there? I don't know. Okay, so what are we going to search instead now?
Maybe like 2021.
Should we change it to like programming memes or like Java memes? Yeah, let's do that one.
Which one?
Programming memes.
Where?
Is the second option on Google. Go into the search box. Oh dear. That one.
This one?
Yeah.
Isn't it gonna be like the same?
Is it?
Should we look at Reddit?
Yeah, let's do that. We're gonna open up that box.
Reddit.
Okay.
When I train a model for days, corporate needs you to find the differences between this picture and this picture.
Deep neural network. They're the same picture. Yeah, that's actually pretty true. Computers are only as smart as we train them to be, so
you're not that smart.
Yeah. Why? Oh, that's why. Yeah, that's true.
I am no longer using this memory.
Oh my gosh. That's pretty accurate.
I hated like memory errors, like memory allocation errors, like leaks. Ugh. As a programmer, why are you single?
Oh my gosh!
Declaring a variable in her name was more romantic than taking on an actual digital Valentine's.
So actually, I just saw this on Twitter. It was just posted a couple days ago, actually. This is really recent. And I responded, space is greater than tabs. Mm-hmm. That's just what I responded. No one even liked it. I was so offended. Like, that's hilarious.
So everyone go follow Kaylee on Twitter at just to go to
Yeah, but isn't that hilarious? As a programmer where I was single, like, just space is greater than tabs is what I put.
Can you guys
I did see this. Cry. Data structures and algorithms in Java 2nd edition. Yeah.
I don't think I read like 2 textbooks for
Build Success. Honestly, that moment of Build Success, you're just like,
oh, and then closing all the Stack Overflow
tabs.
Yeah, honestly.
Yeah. And the worst is when you close a Stack Overflow tab and then realize in 2 minutes you needed that one and you try and figure it out in your history and you can't find it.
No.
Yeah, just keep them all open.
These are confusing times. Copy paste using mouse. Control C, Control V. Control. What is this?
C, Control V, Control C, Control. Also, I like how they put poo in a text.
I know. I was like, why? Morning, found a bug. Afternoon, fixing a bug. Evening, nothing works. Yeah, that's weird.
That is super accurate.
That's a mood.
Super accurate. What motive you just say? Yeah, there's this one that I saw on Twitter. It was like, you need to be passionate to be a programmer. And her response was like, bitch, I'm passionate about money. I was like, that's pretty great.
Ain't that the truth, though?
Right.
The truth. You can be passionate about CS and love money.
Yeah.
Okay, that's
an ad. News be like, printf. What? I don't get it.
I don't get it either.
I think it has to do with her screen.
Okay.
I don't get that one.
That can be. UI is quite simple. Client will easily figure it out. Hold your finger. That's actually so true. Yeah. Especially when you don't test with actual people. You know what I mean? Just like, they'll know how to do it.
Okay, let's do one more. Let's make it a good one.
First year CS students printing Hello World lab tutors who know the industry will swallow them alive. Okay, more like less so the industry, more like academia. You know what I mean? Like
those weed out classes are real. Wow. All right. Well, on that note, What are you looking? How old were you when you realized it's called firmware because it's halfway between hardware and software? What? I mean, like, yeah.
It's firm.
Yeah.
Every day taking the tram, I think about the GitHub of my dreams.
Oh, just a bunch of green squares. Oh, man. That's kind of sad.
It's actually really satisfying when you do have, like, a really long GitHub streak. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And you see all the pretty
little squares and...
yeah.
That is quite nice.
Okay, cool. Well, we hope that you all enjoyed watching this video of us reacting to these some good, some bad.
Really bad.
Yeah,
coding memes.
Yeah. But yeah, thank you all so much for watching, and make sure that you subscribe. We come out with new videos every Wednesday, or at least every week.
Every
it's
week.
Not on Wednesday.
Mostly my fault. But also, do let us know in the comments if you want to see us reviewing each other's code from university days. We will totally make a video on that. So let us know if that's something you want to see.
Yeah.
But yeah, please like this video and subscribe, and we'll talk to you all next week.